All right, this webinar is going to talk you through the OFBI program officer's role after the peer review process is completed. So on the demo site, I need you to log in as CFentress, CFENTRESS. The password is START123, capital START123. Log in. Now, but when you get to this part of the application process, the peer reviewers have been done, and you're next, and you're going to get a list from me to say, okay, these are all the college readiness applications that have been awarded, right? And so, what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is go to documents. You want to look for the application that you created. I'm looking for Project Atlas 2.0. I mean, Project Atlas 2020. And I'm looking for commission approvals. Under status is commission approvals. All right. So this is it, right? Commission approvals. You click on the link. You hover over forms. You scroll down to summary application score sheet. And if you're going to get two lists, you're going to say, okay, these are the organizations that were approved. So we're going to approve. We're going to work on all the approvals. And then you'll get another list when that's done that are the denieds. All right. So the application approval, let's say it's yes, you click yes. Let's say that it's, they got approved for $10,000. You put today's date, or whatever date you're working on, and you go up to the top and you click save. When you get the list of the denieds, all you have to do is just insert zero. I mean, just insert no. That's all you have to do. And then click save. All right? So that's the difference. So let's say you got to do each one of your approvals one by one. You can't be, there's no way to hard push it. So after you've done all your organizations one by one, you click on administration. You click on NJDOS status push documents. You look for your application, and let's say it's Project Atlas or Social Innovation, whatever it is. Mine is Project Atlas 2020. You click under status, you click commission approvals. You select all of them under commission approvals, and then under push to status, you will push to when you're given the word, you'll push them to application approval, approved. Now, what that means is after everything is set up and we get the go ahead, you don't push them to application review complete approved until I tell you, okay, push all of your organizations that were originally, that are pushed to commission approval, push them to application complete approved, right? And then I'll say, all right, all those that denied, I need you to push them all to application review denied. What does that mean? If you push them to application review complete, that means that the application is approved from our end and they'll get their award letter. If you push them to application review complete denied and you click push selected documents, they'll be denied, and they'll get their denial letter. Okay? So we want to push all of the organizations that were approved first once you get the okay from me. You don't go past commission approvals until you get it from me. Then you click push selected documents. Right? So now we're gonna do Mary's role. So you want to log out, you want to log in as Kurfus, M Kurfus, MKURFUSS. The password is start123, capital START 123. Log in. So now you're looking for the application that you approved, right? So mine is Project Atlas 2.2020. It's approved. So I'm working as Mary. And this is what you're going to do for your application. You click on the grant agreement, the grant number. You hover over related documents and messages, and you click on the link that says Initiate OFBI Project Atlas Payment Voucher. Because this is her role. You click I agree. And then you hover over forms and you click payment information. When you get to payment information, you click initial. You'll put the number 1 for voucher number. You put the voucher award, which is, let's say, $2,500. And you'll just insert random numbers until it doesn't take anymore. This is something she does. We don't need to know what these numbers mean, but to her, she needs to do this in order to generate the voucher. All right. You put in today's date, and then you go up to the top and you click save. This is a 2-step process. After it's saved, you go to status change and you click change the status to grantee signature required. Oh, hold on. Something happened here. Maybe I don't have to do those. Maybe it's just the one. Okay, you go up to the top, you click save. And then you click grantee signature required. Hopefully it'll work. Global errors. Why did they give me payment voucher? Oh, I know what I gotta do. I need to go to the parent information. After you complete the payment information, which is all this here, then you go to the parent information, the grant number. Come on. Hover over related documents and click the link, and then change the status to grantee signature required. Then when you're done with that, you log out, and then you log on as the grantee, Angela. Because now the application is on her end. So now you look for your application. I'm looking for Project Atlas 2020. It says grantee signatures required, right? So I click on the grant number. And you do all the steps that you've been doing with them. which is you scroll down, you go to grant agreement. You click on I accept, you click save. You then go down to hover over forms and click contract information. And then you fill this out, test $1 million. You click browse. You upload that test document I sent you. In here, you copy and paste the statement. You go up to the top, you click save. I'm not worried about the voucher in the test site. And then you change, and then you log out. Then you go in as me. And I am Elaporte, ELAPORTE, and the password is START, capital START 123. You log in. You look for the application. I'm looking for Project Atlas 2.0 2020. I'm looking for my application, which is this one. I go to forms. I know that the contract information is good. I click on grant agreement. Uh-oh. Something went wrong here. Let me log out. Let me log back in as Angela. Because if I don't get it, it's still on the grantee side. Grantee signature required. But she doesn't have a status. Hold on. Oh. Click save. I did that. I'm going to log out, log back in as me. There should have been a grantee signature submitted, but let me see. Now something is missing. Ah, there it is. I never hit change, save. So when you go in as me, it'll say grantee signature required. You'll click grantee signature received. You'll scroll down to the grant agreement. Don't worry about the voucher. You scroll down to this second checkbox. You click that. You click save. You scroll to status change and change the status to DOS contract review. When you do that, you'll see that the status is DOS contract review. You log out, you log back in, and you log in as Jackie Kemry, Jkemery, and the password is the same, capital START123. She's looking for, you're looking for the application that you worked on. Mine is Project Atlas 2020. Click on that. Then as Jackie, you hover over Forms menu. You scroll down to Grant Agreement. You scroll down to Department I attest. This is her. You click Save. You go to Status Change and you apply the status, and the contract is executed. The assumption is that the payment voucher is done as well. And that's how you execute the contract that you created. Then you log out.